Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your iexplorer.exe process is running after you already closed Internet Explorer. So if you notice this process is still showing up in Task Manager after you've already closed out of Internet Explorer, this tutorial will be for you. So first thing we're going to actually try is open up Internet Explorer. So however you normally would if you actually have an icon on your taskbar, or if you went through a start menu, you basically just want to open up Internet Explorer to begin this tutorial with. Now that Internet Explorer is open, you want to go and left click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the browser window. So just left click on that icon one time. And then you want to go down and left click on Manage Add-ons. You want to go underneath Show and select underneath Currently Loaded Add-ons. It might say anything here. You want to make sure it's set to All Add-ons. If you see in this list or something that says Adobe PDF Link Helper, you want to disable it, so just left click on it and then select the disabled button. So that's one way. You can also try running Internet Explorer in a no add-ons manner. So if you go up to the URL bar up at the top of the Internet Explorer window and you type in about, one dot on top of another dot, no add, so exactly how it appears on my screen, and then a minus sign, and then ons, so about, and then the two dots, no, add, and then a little minus sign ons. Then you want to hit enter. This will launch Internet Explorer without add-ons. So I would go ahead and see if that has resolved the issue, and then if you want to go through and see what add-ons perhaps were already installed on the add-ons page again. So if you were still having the problem, you go underneath Manage Add-ons. Again, look for any other add-ons that might be listed here that you just try disabling, and that would probably be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.